Hello, my friendly shoppers, and welcome back. This is Gina. I hope your day's going well so far. We're back shopping at HomeGoods, and we're going to see what we can find this week. And always love checking out this store. Now, we do have Mother's Day coming up next month, and there are some beautiful pieces here. Look how gorgeous this tier tray is. And it's $15. And then we have some tea. Now, of course, with Mother's Day, we think of brunch, we think of tea, and this green tea. Now, I'm loving this packaging, $5. I mean, the packaging alone is gorgeous. Now, the ginger and peach, this is $7, but love this packaging. And ginger and peach tea is delicious. Now, this one is... Ooh, where's the price? Oh, right here on top. $5. Oh, that is so pretty. It's a sleep blend. And then we have our elegant Earl Grey. Now that one is $8. And that is a loose tea. And check out this tea from Peter Rabbit. We have a variety of flavors. Oh, this is fun. There's 60 tea bags all together. And then where's the price? Right here at the bottom. There we go, $6. Oh, that's a really good price. And if you're looking for the perfect mom mug from Ray Dunn, this is $7. How cute. You got the daffodil on the back. And then we have Tia. Oh, I love the little butterfly that's on there. Oh, that's cute. That one is $7. Oh, these are so pretty. Oh, this one's gorgeous. I love the rose for a new mom. And then we have our tea set. So we have our teapot, of course, 2 teacups with the saucers and the matching spoons. Oh, this is a gorgeous set. That one is $25. Now, here's a couple more of the 2-tier trays. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh, I like this one. I have a couple of these. $13. Now, if you are looking for strawberries, $6. This mug is cute. Actually, it's strawberries and cherries. Oh, that's a good size. Then we have our little bows. Oh, the strawberry shortcake. Oh my goodness. Look how adorable this bowl set is. All right, it's 20 ounces. It includes the chopsticks. It's $10. Oh, this is a cute one. I know we've seen a couple of them. That one is my favorite. Now here's another one, but I like the first one I picked up. And these noodle bowls are just so fun. And I love that they include the chopsticks, but look at all these fun sets. Oh, there's quite a few. And they're only $10. Oh, look at this teapot. Oh, that teapot is gorgeous. This is perfect for a garden tea party. $25. Oh, it's from Blue Sky. That's a pretty good price. Lots of fun strawberry items, but look at the bear holding the flowers. Oh my, that is super cute. That one is $8. Now, the mug is adorable. I don't think I could drink out of it. Sometimes when they're a design, it's really hard to drink out of, but you could place some flowers in it. That would be really cute. Now we have our bear canister in a honey pot. That one is $20. Oh, and our lemon teapots. Oh, this is really pretty. This is perfect for summer. Now that one's only $10. Yeah, we have our whole lemon theme. So if you want strawberries or lemons, you definitely have some options. Oh, these are pretty. Oh, that's real glass too. And that one is, oh, $10 each. I could see why. Oh, look how gorgeous. I love this platter. This is perfect for a charcuterie board. It tells you exactly what to place on there. $15. I like it. I'm good, but I really do like that one. Now, if you're looking for a green set, there's some beautiful floral sets here. And it really depends on, what pieces you want. They're all sold separately. I do like this bowl. Look at that embossed edging. So those are $6 each. See, the plate is really pretty. I know they stack everything up. It just makes it a little hard to grab it. You know, try to check out the price. This is another pretty set. Oh, this is gorgeous. That one is $7. There are some beautiful dinnerware pieces. Now, I like this tray. It reminds me of the toile design. Oh, it's a Lazy Susan. Oh, how cool. Now, that one is $20. And you can see there's different sizes. We have the matching bowls. Oh, these are so pretty. So some designs are on the outside, some are on the inside. Oh, I do like this. This one is $10. I have one very similar to it. Oh, this is a really unique cart. I love this top. Oh, we have some pieces up here. But I really want to see the price of this cart. $450. I can see why. It's so unique. I've never seen one like it. We got some good sized drawers. Oh yeah, this is really pretty. Now, I have been looking at a lot of the tablecloths, but I haven't been seeing too many napkins. And that's what we're going to look at today, the napkins. This is a really pretty set. This is perfect for spring. It's $10 for 4 of them. That's not too bad of a price. Now, when it comes to the placemats, there's some beautiful placemats, but my concern is when you wash them, are they going to shrink? Will they retain their shape? There's some gorgeous ones. And then checking out some of the glassware, I saw this set for gelato. Look how cute this is. And this is $10. I always love checking out the store. There's always some fun finds. Do I need a gelato bowl set? No, but I like looking at it. Now, the coffee set. So this is another one for Mother's Day. If you're looking for a clear coffee mug, they have some really nice sets. So this is $10 for a set of 2, but look at all the different sizes. So how do you pick out one? See, some of the prices, like that was $13. This is a set of 2. The espresso ones for $8. Now, this is the Nespresso coffee maker. Now, HomeGoods only has a 30-day policy. And if you're spending over $400 for a coffee maker, it really makes me kind of hesitant to buy such an expensive piece, especially with only a 30-day return policy. I would love it if HomeGoods extended their return policy from 30 to 90 days, especially on some of the more expensive products. Now, we're just kind of browsing the store. I found these really interesting food containers. Oh, these are perfect, especially for food prep. And those are $10. I found some more tea. You could find a really good selection of tea or even coffee here at HomeGoods for some really good prices. And if you're looking for tea with cute containers, I mean, look how cute these are with the rabbits. Those are $4. And I purchased tea from HomeGoods, and it's been really good. And nothing's expired, and that's a good thing. So you do kind of want to be mindful of the expiration date, but I have never seen like expired food here at HomeGoods. Now, I found some more of the food containers. I was looking for a set that would have multiple sizes, but I could only find the same size, so 32-ounce container. And these pickle jars, okay, I do have one. I got mine from Amazon. I've had it for a couple of years. I have never had any issues with it leaking. Now, I'm not familiar with this brand, but the price, I paid $20 for mine a couple of years ago. This one is $5. I'm almost tempted to pick it up and just test it out. But that is the last thing you want leaking in your refrigerator is pickle or olive juice. But if anyone has picked these up from HomeGoods, especially for only $5, love to hear your feedback. And it is made with glass. I like these. It's the automatic salt and pepper meals. So if you prefer maybe freshly ground pepper or salt, definitely check these out. For a set of 2 for $20, that is a really good price. They feel like good quality too. Oh, this is cute. It's so tiny. It's a glass tea mug and infuser. It's very thin glass, and that is $6. Oh, we found more of the pickle jars. Now, if you are looking for storage baskets, check out HomeGoods. They have the best pricing when it comes to the baskets because they've been very popular, very trending, and they could get very expensive. So there's some really cute designs. And I like all the different sizes. So you can see like $8. And the larger one is $10. Oh, I like this one. This is great for your office. If you're looking for a fun basket to place your mail in, now that one is $10. And I've seen baskets just like that for about $20 at other stores. But I love the variety. I purchased a few here at HomeGoods and I like them. I love the pricing, as I mentioned. And then with the 2026 graduation coming up, it's going to be here before you know it. If you see anything here at HomeGoods and you are planning a graduation get together, a party, definitely pick these up because these are going to sell out so fast because it's a really good price. We have cups, we have invitations, cards, decorations, and then the boxes. I'm loving these boxes, and I think these are perfect for Mother's Day, honestly, for any occasion. But this embossed box is just beautiful. I mean, check this one out. This is really pretty, and I like these because they're perfect for storing your treasures. And I've had some of mine for years, and I'll just kind of dust the top off. That one is $13. It has a magnetic closure. See, I have a couple like that with the ribbon, but no ribbon, but the same closure. Now, the lampshades, I'm just seeing if they have anything new. I wonder if they marked this one down. We saw it a couple of weeks ago on clearance for $55, and it's still $55. I believe there's supposed to be a lamp to go with it. See, this is a cute little shade. And there's no price. The price is probably on the lamp. Oh, I like this one. Oh, that's pretty. And that was about $20. Oh, I like this one too. Okay, I gotta walk away from the lampshades. I don't need any more right now. Oh, look at this lamp. This is $70 for Ralph Lauren. That is so pretty. Oh, I like this yellow one. Now that one is metal. And that one is $40. It's so unique. You could find the most interesting lamps here. See, that was $40 as well. So if you're looking for like some lighting for your home, definitely check it out. I mean, come on. We have the iguana holding the bulb. And how much is this one? $30. There's some fun lampshades here. Now, if you're looking for cordless lamps, they have them as well. I have quite a few of these around my home. $25. See, that's a good price. You have the charging cords. And I always like those. And they're great for bookcases, for fireplace mantles, anywhere you want to place them. And I have a couple around like my kitchen counters, and I love them in the morning. You don't want to have a big light on, so those come in so handy. There are some cute lamps. That one is only $15, but look at this floral with the pink. It looks like a flower, right? Oh, that was cute. Oh, you could stay charged. You could charge your phone with it. Oh, this is gorgeous. That was $40. Oh, I like this one. This is so tempting. So you plug it in, but you could charge your phone with it. Oh, a built-in USB port. And photo albums are making a comeback. Oh, I am so happy to see this. I love photo albums because it's just really nice to sit down and then flip through the photos. Oh, I'm so happy to see photo albums come back. And I like these because they have the perfect sleeve. See, $10. See, this would make a perfect Mother's Day gift. Take those photos off your phone, print them up, place them inside. I've done that a couple of times for my mom. Now, this large one is $17, and there's still a lot of Easter items on clearance. They had a lot this year, so it doesn't really surprise me that there's still a lot on clearance. So how much is this one? Okay, $6, so they're about a little over 50% off. We'll keep our eye on the Easter clearance. Yeah, that is a lot. I really wasn't expecting to find any, and here's some more. Oh, the gorgeous eggs. Oh, those are some really good deals. Well, everyone, we're going to head on out. Thank you so much for coming along on HomeGoods with me today. Thank you again for your time and for watching. Take care, and I will talk to you later.